At ito sa Ikas Mulaag. Nice, there you go. At ito sa, Swan. Portage Amusement and Water Park. So, timing kaya mong pag-anhi guys, kaya it's not so busy. Few guests. We're waiting for the night para makita na mo ang lights on nila nga nindot kaayo during night. Ay, ito sa floating swan, dali. Let's go. Let's ride a floating swan. Wow, ang ganda ng fish. Ayan guys, Mia and Dave nag-play na po sa kids park. So another, na po na siya, entrance. But it's worth it naman dito guys. Ayan. Puntahan natin si Mama Bebs. Solong-solo yung pool. Akala mo ay pagmamayari niya, Ante! Say hi to the vlog! Solong-solo mo Hello! Hi guys, the Kitchi Family Vlogs. We are here at Portage Amusement Water Pool. So for today's vlog guys, sulong-solo namin yung pool. Kasi Monday ngayon, weekdays, unti lang yung tao. Yan naman yung playground for kids. At ayun, si Auntie Vivian and Mia. Yes, it's nice kay diri guys. Ang unlimited bigo nila kasi 200 ra per head. O, diba? Tapos ang view dito, nice kaayo. Kita. Guys, ito yung view niya guys. Umulan doon sa dapit doon. Tapos dito yung may slide sila dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda, right? Solong-solo yung pool eh.